Here are 5 types of paintbrushes to have in your toolkit for furniture painting and makeovers. First off, a large flat brush that you can use for larger surfaces that will give you a beautiful finish. I prefer 2-inch to 2.5-inch max in size, and I like this 2-inch angled brush by Performance Select Gold that I got from Home Depot. Another favorite for this type of brush is this Country Chic oval brush. I really like how compact the bristles are, so it doesn't take on more paint than I'll use, and it gives a great finish. You definitely need at least one smaller detail brush to help you get into any hard-to-reach corners or details. This one came in a value pack from Michaels, and it works great. Next up is a brush that you use specifically for top coating, so you don't end up getting old paint left in the brush that tints your top coat. I like this fan brush from Zebra because it helps distribute the product seamlessly. You'll end up finding a ride or die go-to brush that you use day to day. For me, it's this Dixie Belle the Bell brush. You can see this one is well loved. It feels comfortable in my hand, and I like the tapered edge of the bristles. Lastly, you need a brush that has a stubby handle to fit into tighter spaces, and this Wooster shortcut brush from Home Depot is perfect. Follow for more furniture painting and refinishing tips.